Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to easily merge two or several videos. So using HD converter to so far I have tested with several video editor, but HD converter is the best. So sometimes you may want to combine several videos in short camera or phone. So HD video converter Pro lets you enjoy video editing and helps you easily merge videos or join video in the most efficient way. So you can download this video editing tool and install it in your PC from the official website. So you can just search HD video converter, download, then you can go forward and download your free trial. So this is how you do it. I have two videos here. I want to merge these two videos. So sometimes even you be having a movie and we don't want to have the interruption because the movie has two parts. So you have to switch and you don't need the interruption. So HD video converter is very helpful. So it will join the video and you will not notice they were two different parts. So let me go and show you how. I have my video converter. You can see it's like this way it looks like. So this one is really the best. You can join your videos easily. So the first step, you open your software. So let's wait for it to open. Not update. So click here, converter. So then click add video or add file, or you can drag the file to your source. So you can either drag like that. So let's see, it takes only a second, or you can just come up here and add. So my style is in vertical now. Click here, there. So you can just take a few seconds, and then you should put the videos anywhere you want. So this is the first part. I can just put. So to merge, you need to go to here. You can see merge. You can click that. Then you come, select the video, then drag it there, then merge. Okay. So you can just arrange them in any order you want. Just move up, move down. See, okay, let's move up, and then select this, move up. You can see I can change the order. Then select this. If you want this to be the first one, move down. This one you want to be, it's like this one is second part, move down. So in that order. So if you see that you have not arranged them correctly, and just select the second one, move up, and then move it down again. Now it will come to the other side. Okay, if you want this one to do the same thing, then you click merge. So you are always free to change the order. So step 3 is to start the whole process. After you have done, click merge and go back to the new interface. Click run to start to merge videos. If you still have any question, you can just post your question. So you can click run. So you can see the output will be MP4 and it will be higher quality, higher resolution. So it will be bigger inside. But you can see the videos themselves. Each video is around properties. It's around 200 MB. This one is around property is around 293 MB. So you can see the videos are now merged and the total sum is 492.96 MB. So run. So usually this one is very fast. So I like one thing I like about HD the converter pro, it does this quite fast. And remember, merging two videos. If, for example, you are using VLC, it will take a lot of time. It can even take a whole day. And you just want to merge your movies and then watch it, so you can't be that patient. Okay, so that is the one advantage of HD video converter. So go to the official website and download this software and can start to enjoy, right? So it is 30%. So I can just play in the meantime one video, the first one. So this is actually a video I uploaded on YouTube. So I'm not sure even in the past, but I played up to that point. So you will not notice. Actually, you will not notice on the video. You will not notice on the video has shifted to the part B. It's like it's a continuation. Like a continuation. So I wish I could be able to join a movie here, but the issue with copyright. So you can just go, you try yourself. Or even a series, you can even join 10 series, 10 episodes, then you can join all of them, and then it will be just one continuation. So if you're having a series, season 1, it's having 10 episodes, just use this video converter, join them, then watch them without any interruption. So that is how convenient this software is. So downloading the official website. So don't worry if they say sound disabled and T disabled, because the video will be having all the features including sound, and it will be, if I see the size, it will be even better in terms of quality. So you can see it is converting, not only joining but converting to MP4 and improving the quality, and even you can see the size will increase. So this is how it does. But it's very fast, very fast. If you can try this with VLC, you understand what I'm saying. Now it's like it has finished the first video, then it's going for the second video. Now there were three of them. You now go finish, then the third time. So just do 2 times. So after this, then now you can enjoy your video without any interruption. And so you can even change where you want your file output to be saved. So because it has already started the process, now I cannot change, but I could it will be saved in my desktop. And remember one very important thing, after you merge one video, remember to change the name or copy to another place, because after you merge it, if you did not change the output folder, it means that it will replace it will replace it will replace the first video. Okay, it means it will replace the first video, and then you will lose the video. So because you cannot now you cannot get the previous version. You cannot turn it into the previous version. So you should be careful each time you have saved one file. Remember to and just copy it in another folder or change the name, because you are see the source is called part1, the output is called part1, and you save it as part1. So if you have saved one video, it will be named part1 in one folder. So if you change it to be part1, then if you merge another one, then you will have to go with the same name, you know, to replace the other. So you lose the data. So that is one thing I noticed, like the disadvantage. The only disadvantage I've seen is because there's a video I was doing, I was merging, I was doing, it was very big. So, and I was playing in a hurry, so I was like, what have I done? So be careful. You can even change the name instead of going on the Safari. So make sure you change the name first. Give each file its unique name, so that when you save it in a folder, you will not replace the other one, because they have the same name, and you cannot save two files in the same name. So the video, their official website is support@videoconverterfactory.com. That is the official website. That's how you access the software. That's how you use it. Well, it is almost done. This process can take even a whole day if you are using VLC. This one is, and this one is, this is as finished, so I can open my output. So we open now, show me if I open it. So it will move automatically. So next, guys, please subscribe.